Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how you can test your agent directly inside the agent builder using the playground in sigmamind AI. So first from your agent builder, click here and then go to playground. So this actually allow you to test your agent exactly the way an end user would interact with. So now when you click start new call, the agent start running in real time and you can speak to it. Hear the responses and see how the conversation flows. On the right side, you will see the test history. This show all your previous test call. So if you'll click on restore, the complete conversation come back and including the full transcript of the call. Now, this part is very important. Whenever you click on any node, you can check whether the node was triggered successful or not during the conversation. So this make debugging very easy. You can clearly see which node was used, what input it received, and how the agent responded. If you find any issue or error, you can fix it right here without switching screen or leaving the agent builder. From here, you can also clear the message and start a fresh test anytime. If you want to review the conversation later, you can listen to the recording. You can download the agent interaction from here. So using the playground, you can test, debug, improve and finalize your agent all in one place. So that's how you use the sigmamind AI playground to test your agent efficiency. Try it out.